Idea comes from inspiration. Without an inspiration, it would be difficult for us to make a design, unless you're a pro. When I see good design, my brain gets excited and lots of ideas coming in. You will get to this stage when you keep repeating these steps. Now let's see some Christmas designs for our inspiration. I will show you 3 websites to get an inspiration or ideas for your shirt design project. Now, what I'm going to show you is like it's like spying. It's like a tips, we look at the popular shirt designs so we can come up with our own design. So the first one is the Teespring. So this one is a shirt vendor. All you have to do is just upload your design, and when you get an order, they will print your design, and then they also deliver it to your client. So that's plain simple, right? And this is where we are going to upload our design. And on their main page, on their website, you would see the recommendation. And these are not only recommendation, but also some of the best-selling shirt designs on this website. So they're giving you some ideas, for example, some ugly shirts like this, right? So we can get some ideas from this website. So it's now holiday, so definitely it's a good idea to create a shirt design about holiday, some good designs. And then we'll probably do something like this, since I think we can create this one, some ugly Christmas shirt sweater design. So let's see, maybe holiday stuff pics. Alright, so we can create our own ugly sweater design, and then we can upload it right here. So Teespring is giving us some ideas for our shirt design. Alright, so aside from Teespring, where you can go to tview.org, and tview is like it's giving you the overall look for the best-selling shirt design or best t-shirt campaigns in Teespring or Sunfrog. So let's see the Teespring. Then we can see the top campaigns right here on Teespring. Let's wait to load it. Right there, some top t-shirt design. Well, this is not accurate, and but it's giving us some ideas, some simple design. Alright, yeah, so let's see one more. So you will see some topic that you can recreate or redesign for your own t-shirt campaign. So mainly, sometimes most common campaigns are shirt about animals, dogs, cats, right? So if you prefer do something like not what we are doing the Christmas, you can go to tview.org and then see some topics or ideas here, and then create your own. Let's see some ideas from Sunfrog. Some are witty, some are very simple design, some are statement shirt design that you can choose here, and then try to well, not copy of course, but put your own idea, brainstorm on something. Alright, so another one is the Pinterest. You can go to Pinterest, and then on the search bar, you can I'll type the Christmas shirt design, and then here we can see some of the shirt designs that are very popular, because it shows on the top page, or the page right here. And you click on it, you would see, I guess, the numbers of shares and the pins. It's not right here. You can select this one, and then you can see some inspiration, some text shirt design. Alright, and then we can go back right here, see some shirt designs again. All you need to do is just browse right here, and then take note of all the ideas that you get, and then put it on the notepad. Okay, so let's see one more, and let's say this one. It says they're selling it for $11, almost $12. Alright, for a simple shirt statement design. Alright, and now once you are done browsing for all the shirt ideas, what you need to do is just put it on a notepad. Like I said, select all the designs, and then list down all the things that you want to include or you want to put on your own design. For example, I'm gonna do a sweater design. On the Teespring, I see some designs right here that I think is good. It's a TV right here, and then I put down all the ideas that I think would be good for my sweater design, like lines, big text, probably highlighting the one that you like. For me, it's the word ugly, and then trees, since it's Christmas. Witty coat, colorful, should be colorful. Trying to make it look bad, the design, and yeah, I will try my best to make it look bad. And then Santa Claus, snowflake, that's snow, Christmas balls, and then candy cane. So these are the elements that I want to put on my sweater design. Alright, of course, not all of them. I'm gonna probably, select 2 or 3 and then incorporate it on my design. And I'm gonna show you how I design my sweater design step by step. Alright, I'm gonna show you later in the upcoming videos. But again, the steps are very simple. Go to Teespring or TView or Pinterest, and then take note of all the popular shirt or the shirts that you think is good. For example, for this one, I like the design right here, and don't copy it. Just try to create your own as much as possible. Okay, so I guess that's all for this video, and see you in another video.